APWA understands that as members of the public works profession during the current coronavirus pandemic, you are facing challenges in your community and in your workplace. We are committed to providing you and your staff the resources you need. We know many of you have staff working remotely and are taking advantage of this time to continue their professional development. We want to fully support you in this effort by granting access to APWA's Members Library and live Click, Listen, and Learn webinars for all public works professionals, both members and non-members alike, through May 25th. We are also offering 20% off regular pricing for our entire e-course catalog. This is a great opportunity for your staff to access all the educational programs you need during this time. Let's start. Before we begin, you will need to create a free APWA account. To do so, click the Create Account button in the upper right. Enter your basic information, and just like that, you now have a username and password to access our exclusive content. Let's start with the APWA Members Library. From the APWA homepage, click the box linking to the COVID-19 Resources and Information page and scroll down to the APWA Education Resources section, where you can then click the link to the Members Library. Now you will have access to the hundreds of resources the Members Library has to offer, like webinar recordings, past conference education sessions, articles, and more. Next, let's see how to access the free Click, Listen, and Learn webinars. Follow the same steps from the APWA homepage to the APWA Education Resources section on the COVID-19 Resources webpage and click the Click, Listen, and Learn webinars. Use the same login method to register for your preferred event. A confirmation email will be sent to you prior to the live event with instructions on how to join. These webinars are free for everyone through May 25th. The Talking Top Tech recordings are available on APWA TV and in the Members Library within 2 weeks of the program's live date, and the COVID-19 PW forums, which are always free, will be posted on the COVID-19 Info Now community. Act fast though, the COVID-19 forums are limited to 50 registrants. Lastly, let's take a look at APWA's e-courses. Click on the LMS link and scroll down to APWA e-courses. Here, you can see different programs available for purchase. For this example, let's click the Public Works Math 101. When you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will find the pricing for this content. Click the link, which will take you to the APWA store, and complete your purchase. Don't forget to use code LMS20 for 20% off. Now we can return to the e-courses page and enter the e-learning portal. It may take a moment to pop up, but once it does, you will find your purchase content in the left side menu. APWA is committed to providing you and your staff the resources you need during these difficult times. Take advantage of the great educational resources we have to offer you today.